If you're interested in building value for your home or business, we have a wonderful video to share with you today. Hi, I'm Kevin Fontaine, designer at Bolt Outdoor Lighting Pros, and we're at an amazing property we recently completed with professional outdoor lighting to build that value. We're going to share some techniques we like to use to provide real solutions for our clients. So let's jump into it. One of the challenges we faced immediately was the entryway, and this long driveway with mature trees on both sides creates a lot of darkness. So one of the solutions was to provide them with some downlighting, which casts through the foliage nicely, shooting that nice, wonderful foliage pattern on the asphalt. And so that moonlighting really brightens up the areas just enough to introduce nature, but also to be safe, secure, and get a sense of that driveway as people come in. And as you enter, you're met with this wonderful little island with plants and boulders and actually paver walkway system through it. So we wanted to accentuate that as you approach the house. At Bolt, one of the solutions we love to provide is welcoming and inviting guests into your home or business. What better way than to accentuate the doors? And here we have wonderful stonework by the front door, and we did flush grade in masonry, believe it or not, that accentuates it beautifully. We also did these wonderful artistic bollards that project a wonderful pattern out, and it's just really nice to see as you enter. Here on the side entry, we added some flush mount core drills to accentuate these wonderful pillars. As we enter the backyard, we wanted to design in some creature comforts. We want our clients to relax and enjoy their space after a hard day's work. In here, we have some amazing design techniques that will help build value, not only monetarily, but for the clients, so they can enjoy the spaces more, have fun more, and extend life outdoors at night. Everybody has staircases and steps, and we want those lit very well. We don't want people to slip and trip and fall. So a great solution is lighting up your staircase with outdoor lighting. And here we have this wonderful puck system that integrates well with the colors and scheme of this property. If you'd like to learn more about adding value to your home or business, contact us today.